Hello friends, welcome to the part 2 of this coordinate system and distance between 2 points. In the previous video, we have seen some of the important points, and we will be seeing few more important points in this video. In the previous video, we have seen that there is a coordinate system with x and y axis, and this is called as origin O 0, 0. Now, this is x axis and this is y axis, and this is x prime axis and this is y prime axis. So x o x prime, y o y prime is a coordinate axis, called coordinate axis. And one more important point is that if a point is taken here, the coordinates is x comma y, and x coordinate is called abscissa, and y coordinate of that point is called ordinate. These two are very important, and and this direction is taken as positive direction, and this y direction is taken as also positive direction, and the y prime direction is taken as a negative direction, and x prime direction is taken as negative direction. So the points in this coordinates, there are four coordinates. This is the first quadrant, sorry, the four quadrants. The first quadrant, x will be positive and y will be positive. Both coordinates will be positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, x will be negative and y will be positive. In the third quadrant, both will be negative. In the fourth quadrant, x will be positive and y will be negative. These are called quadrants. Quadrants is the axis defined divide the segments are the division that is made by the axis. Four quadrants. And after since we have learned this regarding coordinate systems, next we will be discussing about applications of distance between points. So up this distance between 2 points has many applications. So some of the applications is, one of the application is finding the length of the line segment joining those 2 points 1 and 2. For example, if a figure is given, like for example a square or a rectangle or a rhombus or a parallelogram is given, how do we identify these objects? So first, for a square, all the four coordinates are given to you. If all the four coordinates are given to you, first for a square, see, these are the sides and these are diagonals. So all sides are same, all sides are equal, diagonals also equal to each other. For rectangle, if you see a rectangle, these opposite sides will be equal, and these opposite sides will be equal, and diagonals will be equal. This means we'll be finding the distances between these points, and we'll be determining by using the coordinates that are given to the points. Opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are equal. And the third one is rhombus. So when coming to rhombus, rhombus is rhombus. In rhombus, all the four sides will be equal, but the diagonals will be different. All sides equal, but diagonals are different. Diagonals are different. And similarly, when coming to parallelogram, this like properties are a little bit similar to rectangle. These opposite sides will be equal, but diagonals will not be equal. Opposite sides will be equal, but diagonals are different. So these are the some of the applications using these points, distance between those 2 points. You can determine whether it is a square, rectangle, rhombus or parallelogram by using the properties. Thank you friends.